Hey everyone, welcome back. I got some stuff in the mail this week. We're really excited about it, and I'm going to show it to you right now. All right, I've been waiting for this for a long time. I called up Offie North Sales in Ontario. I'm going to show you what I got. I've been waiting for these. Not waiting from him, but just waiting to order. You can't buy everything all at once, right? But with this, you save parts over years, and it doesn't cost that much to build one. Let's get into it. All right, I'm so excited about this. Nice packaging. This is like opening up an iPhone, you know? Look at this. Look at that. Wow. These are really nice. Oh my God. Good job. Good job, Stromberg, and Offie North Sales. Thank you so much. Great. I'm so excited. Thank you. The other big news that I've been hinting at for the last little while, me and Lena have known for, I don't know, 4 months, something like that. You see where I'm getting at. I'm really happy about it. Really excited. Come this spring, we're going to have a little girl. I'm really happy about it. That's all I'm going to say right now. That's the reason why we're going to Duluth for the Motorhead Madness car show. It's because there's a baby shower going on at the same time. So I'm going to do my thing. She's going to do her thing. And that's it. Things are good. Things are really good. All right. Thank you for watching. See ya. Bye.